Let me show you how to do something called V-stitch, which I had a really hard time finding a video for, so I hope this helps. So I'd never seen this stitch before, and it took me a minute to figure it out, so I wanted to share this video. I'm going to put up a little graph so that you can follow along a little better. So this pattern is worked over 3 rows, so you want to make sure you first have 2 rows, at least 2 rows of stockinette before you start kind of this V shape. So I obviously already have several rows, and you want to have a crochet hook handy. So for this pattern, I'm making a sweater. It wants me to knit 2 before I get to this V-stitch pattern. Okay, and I do have 2 strands of yarn here, so don't let that distract you. And I want to count in 4 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to go 2 stitches below that. 1, 2. And insert my crochet hook into the center. And then I pick up my yarn. It's a little fiddly, so it's all right if it takes a couple tries, and pull up a loop and place that onto your left-handed needle. Don't let your stitches fall out, like I did. Okay, and then tighten up a little bit, not too much. You're going to knit into the back loop of those 2 stitches. And then you're going to knit 5. Take your crochet hook and go into that same stitch that you did before. And grab, so this side's a little harder, but grab that yarn again, pull up another loop, and place it on the left-hand needle. And once again, tighten that up a smidge. Once again, knit into the back loop. And that is the V-stitch, and then you can just keep knitting along. And you see how it makes kind of this, in this pattern I'm making kind of this flower shape, so it makes these little like kind of petals.